Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see who viewed your Facebook story, not friends. If you go to your story and click on the options or I option who, then Facebook allows you to see who have viewed your story and those who are friends. Sometimes there is an option on the bottom of your seen list. There might be written others.1 or 2. Then that means there are people who have seen your story but not your friends. So all you have to do is to go to Facebook Help Center and ask for your go to your Facebook Help Center and go to your Facebook Help Center. All you have to do is go to your Facebook Help Center and ask to see who viewed your Facebook story and mention the number. Suppose the number is 2. Mention that is 2 people that you have seen my viewed but not your friends. Sometimes Facebook allow you to know the person's details or account name who viewed the story but not friends. And yeah, that's it. Sometimes they will not allow to. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.